Another dream is within reach. A student opens up a book. An entrepreneur takes another look.
Mental health is part of every community. It affects how people think, how they feel, how they cope, and how they connect with others. Mental health support is about ensuring no one faces life's challenges alone. Tonight, our panel asks, how can communities strengthen mental health support systems? Welcome to the Thunderdome. Good evening and welcome back to America Together Radio. Last episode, we explored digital access. Tonight, we begin a new chapter, mental health support systems, counseling access, awareness, crisis response, community care, and emotional well-being.
So mental health support is a community responsibility too.
Exactly. Strong communities support both physical and emotional well-being. Tonight we'll discuss counseling access, crisis support systems, public awareness and education, reducing stigma, community care networks, and ways to ensure help is available when people need it most. President Pipeline, when a community wants to strengthen mental health support systems, where should it begin? We'll hear your answer right after the break.
The ocean moves beyond the reach.
Welcome back. Tonight's question, how can communities strengthen mental health support systems? President Pipeline, will begin with you.
Thank you. Mental health support begins with understanding needs. Where are people struggling? Are services available nearby? Do people know how to ask for help? We must identify gaps before we can close them.
So awareness comes first.
Exactly. You cannot support what you cannot see,
Sometimes people suffer quietly without anyone noticing.
which is why awareness is so important.
Liberty Jack, your perspective.
Expand access to counseling services. Support school-based mental health programs. Create community support centers. Help reduce barriers to early care.
So early support matters.
Absolutely. Early help prevents bigger crises later.
Understanding needs is the foundation.
Early support builds stability.
And both help people heal sooner.
A strong beginning for tonight's discussion. After the break, Lady Progress discusses prevention, awareness, and emotional education. Captain Constitution explores responsibility, fairness, and care systems. Stay with us.
The ocean rolls beside the road. 1,000 stories yet untold.
Welcome back. Tonight we're exploring how communities can strengthen mental health support systems. So far we've discussed identifying needs and providing early support. Now let's continue. Lady Progress, how does prevention improve mental health outcomes?
Prevention reduces long-term harm. Education helps people recognize early signs of stress or crisis. When communities invest in awareness and healthy coping tools, fewer people reach critical stages.
So prevention starts early.
Exactly. The earlier support begins, the stronger the outcome.
Captain Constitution, what role does fairness and responsibility play?
Mental health support must be fair and accessible. Everyone deserves care regardless of income or location. Communities and institutions share responsibility in providing support systems.
So access is a civic responsibility?
Very much so. No one should face crisis alone.
President Pipeline, what stands out to you?
Awareness helps identify need.
Early support improves outcomes.
Prevention reduces crisis.
Fairness ensures access.
Sometimes the best support is simply noticing someone needs help before things get worse.
Awareness can change everything. Market Maverick off microphone. And so can actually checking in on your friends once in a while. After the break, Market Maverick discusses practical mental health systems. Professor Data explores research on well-being outcomes. And the People's Advocate shares everyday habits that strengthen community care. Stay with us.
I'm Jeremy Levan. Rural communities understand problems that national politics often ignores. Distance, roads, hospitals, water, agriculture, energy, broadband, schools, and local services are not abstract issues. They are daily realities. America Together 2028 wants those voices included.
The parking lots begin to fill up as the...
Welcome back. Tonight we've discussed awareness, early support, prevention, and fairness in mental health systems. Now let's ask an important question. How can communities turn mental health support ideas into real-world systems? Market Maverick, what practical steps improve mental health support systems?
Expand access to counseling services in schools and communities. Create 24/7 crisis support hotlines. Train community members in basic mental health first aid. Normalize regular check-ins and support networks.
So systems make support easier.
Exactly. When help is easy to access, more people use it.
Professor Data, what does research suggest about mental health systems?
Research often associates strong mental health systems with reduced crisis events, improved emotional well-being, better productivity, and stronger community resilience. Early intervention and accessible care are key predictors of positive outcomes.
So access changes outcomes.
Very much so. Timely support prevents escalation.
People's Advocate, what practical advice would you offer listeners?
Check in on someone regularly. Learn local mental health resources. Encourage others to seek help when needed. Be willing to listen without judgment.
Quick thoughts.
Awareness builds recognition.
Access builds support.
Prevention builds resilience.
Fairness ensures care for all.
As the environments support emotional well-being too.
After the break, each mascot shares one habit that helps communities strengthen mental health support systems. Then we'll conclude tonight's discussion and preview our next episode. Stay with us.
Tires roll beneath the sky, past fields that stretch for miles and miles.
Welcome back. Tonight we've explored how communities can strengthen mental health support systems. We've talked about awareness, early support, prevention, fair access, and practical care systems. Now let's close with one final question. If you could encourage every community to practice one habit that strengthens mental health support systems, what would it be?
Stay aware of signs that someone may need help. Awareness creates opportunity for support.
Make mental health resources easy to access and understand. Access removes barriers.
Encourage education around emotional well-being and coping skills. Knowledge builds resilience.
Ensure fairness and dignity in all mental health care systems. No one should be excluded from support.
Spend time in healthy environments that support emotional balance. Environment affects well-being.
Normalize asking for help when it is needed. Openness reduces crisis.
Check in on people regularly and listen without judgment. Connection saves lives.
Continue evaluating mental health systems and expand access to prevention, early intervention, and long-term support so communities can improve overall well-being.
Mental health is not only an individual issue, it is a community responsibility, a system of care, a network of awareness, and a commitment to not leaving anyone behind.
What's next inside the Thunderdome?
Next time our panel explores episode 095, How Can Communities Strengthen Local Governance? We'll discuss leadership, decision-making, accountability, public participation, and building stronger local institutions. You've been listening to America Together Radio, simulated mascot debate Thunderdome. Today's discussion featured fictional mascot characters created to explore civic ideas through respectful conversation. The characters are fictional. Their conversations are intended to encourage mental well-being, support, and stronger communities. Thank you for listening. Until next time, keep caring, keep listening, keep building together, and we'll see you inside the Thunderdome.
The same as they have through the years, watching seasons come